what is living. According to NCERT, when we try to define living, we conventionally look for distinct characteristics which exhibited by living organism. These are growth, reproduction, metabolism, and consciousness. Let's move to the first bit, which is growth. Growth refers to the increase in mass and increase in number. A multicellular organism grows by cell division. Plants grow continuously throughout their life by cell division. The animals growth is seen up to a certain age. However, cell division occur in certain tissue to replace the lost cell. Unicellular organisms do not grow by cell division. We can easily observe this in vitro culture. Growth is not a defining property of living organism because non-living objects also grow. If we take increase in body mass as a criterion for growth, living organism growth is from inside, not from outside. Majority of higher animal and plant grow and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. Let's move to the next bit, which is reproduction. Reproduction. Reproduction refers to the production of progeny more or less related to the parents. It may be sexual or asexual or both. Fungi they can produce by through asexual spore. Fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses, planaria they can produce by fragmentation. Bacteria, unicellular algae, amoeba these are produced by fusion. Mule, worker bee and infertile human couples these are sterile. That means they cannot produce their progeny. It is not a defining characteristics of living organism. Let's move to the next bit, which is metabolism. Metabolism. All living organisms are made of chemicals. These are constantly being made and changed into some other biomolecules. This conversion is known as metabolic reaction. Metabolic reaction are two types, which is catabolic reaction and anabolic reaction. All plants, animal, fungi and microbes exhibit metabolism. Non-living objects do not exhibit metabolism. Metabolic reaction can be demonstrated outside the body in cell-free system. Metabolism is a defining feature of living organism without any exception. Isolated metabolic reaction in vitro are not living things but purely living reaction. Let's move to the next bit, which is consciousness. Consciousness is all living organisms have ability to sense their surrounding or environment. We sense our environment through our sense organ. Plants respond to external factors like light, water, temperature, other organism and pollutant. Human beings only the organism who has self-consciousness. Consciousness is the defining property of living organism. Let's move to the final definition of living organism. The final definition of living organism is Living organisms are self-replicating, evolving, self-regulating, interconnective system capable of response to the external stimuli.